Hey guys, this is a review of the Diveblues Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. And the brand did give me a free one so I can review it for you today. So I wanted to show you some of the features of this very unique handheld fan. Now, first of all, to turn it on, it's very simple. You simply press the button here. You can see right away it goes to level 1, which is the lightest level. Now, if you press it again, it goes to faster 2, 3, 4, and the fastest 5, which is maximum cooling ability there. And then you press it again, it turns it off. It does come with this carrying lanyard here, so you can strap it around your neck. And it's very functional. You can see by just doing this, you can sit it on a table or desk, point it at you, and enjoy all the comfort of fresh, cool air. Now, it does have an extra long battery life. Now, to charge it, you simply plug it into the USB, which this does come with it here. Plug it in here. You can see right away it starts charging. Now, this is also the charge meter here, so you'll always know how much battery you have left. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a portable handheld turbo fan.